Howdy, y'all. We're going to pull a Logstash diagnostic. So under its diagnostic page, it ends up telling us we need to download the tool. Once the tool is downloaded, we need to get a working curl. So for our purposes today, I just spun up one of the default Logstash setups where it's accepting a standard in and it's outputting a JSON document. So over here, this is my Logstash that's running. I can just input and it's outputting that JSON. So let's go get that working curl. Perfect, quick and easy, I like it. And then it says we can use whatever parameters ended up working for our curl, which for ours were default out of the box, and we can go push those into the diagnostic command. So here we see that I had a HTTP, and then it's basically localhost 9600. So down here, same configuration. And then I'm going to output all of this to downloads. And I ran it in sudo. I don't want it in sudo. Personally, I don't need it in sudo. Okay, so it tells me it's writing all of that out to downloads. Awesome. Okay, so here we can ls grep. Let's unzip that. And let's enter that directory. Perfect. Okay, so here we can see that it's pulled multiple Logstash APIs. It's also pulled some system calls because we did Logstash local. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. Just confirming when that Logstash ran, these are the APIs that it ended up running against. All of these can be very helpful when we're looking at these Logstash type of performance troubleshooting, either based off of resource usage and or separately based off of pipeline performance. So that was truly all it took to pull that Logstash diagnostic. The thing that I think you might find interesting that I wanted to show you is, for mine, it's going to look really simple. But just highlighting that the Logstash dev team has built out a Logstash flow metrics. And so you can come in here and inside of a pipeline, it'll also highlight for you any particular processors in order to determine which part, either pipeline based or input, filter, output type of sub processor is experiencing throughput issues. So with that, we've pulled and captured Logstash diagnostic. Awesome. Thanks all.